In this video, I'm showing you how to change your YouTube banner on an iPhone. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like. I really do appreciate it, and it helps get this video to more people. So I'm showing you the full process of changing your channel art on a mobile phone, specifically an iPhone. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. I'm now on my phone, and let's go and continue with this tutorial. So this tutorial should work for Android as well, or any device which has YouTube on it. So let's go and get into this. So what we want to do is open up the YouTube app, and I'll quickly show you. So if I then go on the top right and click on my profile icon, I then get this list here, and you want to go and click on your channel, and you can see my current banner, which is there saying TutorialTucker. And if you go and click say edit channel, you then can only change your profile picture. So I can click there, and I can change the profile picture, but not the banner. So to go and do this, all you want to do is simply go to your browser. So let's come off YouTube and then open up your browser. So then all you want to do is go and click on your URL, and I'm going to tell you what to type in. So all you want to do is simply go and type m.youtube.com, just like so, m.youtube.com, then go and press go or search, and then it takes you to the YouTube site. So just a quick note, if you only go and type in say youtube.com, it may go and open up the YouTube app. So having that M is really necessary to make sure it takes you to the YouTube website. So all you want to do if you're on an iPhone is go to the top right where you've got those two letters, AA for me. So click there, and then you want to go and click request desktop site. Now on other types of phones, it may say something different, but this is how you get to request desktop site. So click there. Then you want to go and zoom in so you can go and select the right channel, because this isn't the channel I want to change the profile picture of. So click on your profile like so, and then go and tap on switch account, and then it goes and lists your channel. So I'm going to click on TutorialTucker like so, and then it's going to load me back again, and then I need to go and click on it again, and so we go and click on it and go and click on YouTube Studio. Then once it takes you to the studio, then all you want to do is simply come over to the left, and then you need to zoom out a bit, and you need to go and make sure you can enlarge this. So click on the three lines here, and then all you want to do is simply scroll down to customization, click there. Then it's going to take you here. Then all you want to do is come along to branding, and as you can see, you can then go and change your banner image. And then all you need to do is go and click on change, and it gives you these options here. You can go and open up the photo library, take a photo or browse your files, and then go and upload it. As you can see, it does need to fit these pixels, so 2048 by 1152 pixels, and it needs to be 6 megabytes or less. If you found this video useful, please go down below and leave a like, subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.